Greetings, Darlene here. It's been a hot minute since I've done an update on my indoor garden for you. So let's get started and I'll show you what's going on. This is my tiny tomato plant. I was going to count how many tomatoes I have on here. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, there's 2 over there, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, I have at least 13 tomatoes, and they're small. Here's my pepper plant, and look what it's doing. And it looks like I'm going to have some peppers. That's lettuce. I harvested that once and it's grown back. And I've harvested basil several times. So right now it's in the process of growing back. This is an indoor plant. As is this. I don't think it's dead, but it isn't doing anything. This is my fig plant, and it's in hibernation right now. And this is my artichoke plant, and I trimmed all that. And in case you're wondering about all the plastic there, that's just to keep the kitty cats from deciding that they want to be in the dirt. So let me show you what I've got going on out here in the living room. This is my amaryllis, and I think it was right about here when I planted it. So it's grown almost an inch. These are paper whites, and I'm hoping that this one will straighten up, well, both of them straighten up and grow tall instead of all bent over. This is a type of, I forgot. If I remember, I'll write it on the screen when I edit. If I don't remember, you'll have to remind me. My cactus is looking good. I don't know if I'm going to end up with any blooms, at least not for Christmas. I don't know. We've got one down here too, and then some leaf starts down here. It looks like a couple of them are taken off, and this is the same plant that I've got in that other little pot. And this is a Hoya. Over here I have another Christmas cactus plant, and it's deciding not to bloom also. This is a ficus tree and more Hoya. I'm not sure if any of these are taking or not. I believe they're rosemary. We've got a couple of starts of some of the Christmas, it might be Thanksgiving cactus and a Hoya. And over here I have more Hoya. Lots more Hoya. And it usually blooms. It's not in bloom right now, but it does bloom. And under here I have, I think it's a type of lipstick plant, but I couldn't swear to it. I didn't realize that it had decided to go over the edge of the pot. That's pretty cool. And down there I have an aloe. Here's another, I think it's a lipstick plant. It has never bloomed for me, so I don't know for sure. More Hoya plants. And a good-sized ficus. slower there so you can see it. Here I have my lemon plant, which I've trimmed out all everything fell off, so I trimmed it, but you can see it's still alive. And here's another Hoya. Anyone wants a start of a Hoya and you live close enough to my house that you can come and get a start, or let me know if you live in my area. I'm not going to travel to anywhere other than to the town that I usually go to deliver anything like that. But I do have the ability to make lots of Hoya starts. I can make some Christmas cactus starts also. And I'm still trying to think of the name of that one plant. I know it's something easy, but I just have that kind of a brain. It forgets things. So I will, like I said, if I think of the name of it, I'll put it on the screen. If I don't think of it, I won't put it on the screen. So that's what I've got going on inside. I have not stepped foot in any of my planting areas outside since the end of July. If you have been following my channel since then, you know that I injured my legs. And I'm still following doctor's orders to stay out of anywhere where I could get dirt in my wounds. I pretty much stay home. I don't go anywhere. I've been to several funerals, and we did go to a couple months ago, we did go to one retirement party, but I didn't stay long. And funerals seem to be, hubby's gone to a couple of them without me, but the ones that seemed important for me to go to, I went to. We wrap my legs all up good when I go out and about. I've still been doing church online because I can, and just limiting my going out. I've been to some doctor's appointments and some dentist appointments. The doctor thinks that by springtime I might be able to be more fairly healed. I'm hoping he's right. It doesn't really, I don't know. The healing's going very slowly, so if you're one who prays, continue to pray for my healing. I must say it's frustrating, but I've also been in a place where I've realized that I have to rely on God's wisdom. And if he wants me to stay in the house most of the time and not have and only to have a minimal social interaction, then that's just the way it is. I have been entertaining myself with all of your YouTube videos, which I much, much appreciate. And I appreciate you watching mine. My channel is growing ever so slowly, just like my legs are healing ever so slowly. They're both going slowly. We can speed up the healing a little bit with the prayers, and we can speed up the growing of the channel if you share, like, subscribe, share, all of that stuff that everyone always tells you to do. But it really does help. I have been busy since the 1st of December, creating Vlogmas videos. And I decided a lot of Vlogmases that I've been watching, people do videos anywhere from 5, 6, 7 minutes to 10, 15, 20-minute videos. I decided that on my Vlogmas videos, Vlogmas, by the way, is just making a video every day from the 1st of December to the 25th of December. A Christmas video, somewhat Christmas related, but in celebration of Christmas, even if the video isn't Christmas related. I decided that I wanted to do mine in shorts. So all of my Vlogmases are 59 seconds or less. So I've been doing one every day. And today is the 12th. So I've done 12 of them so far. And that means I'm just about halfway through. Just about. Tomorrow, I guess we'll be halfway through because tomorrow will be the 13th. And I have that video made and ready to upload come tomorrow morning. But I have not made more than one day in advance. I don't want to get too carried away with it. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little update about all of the plants, the garden that I have growing indoors in my house. Having green living things in my house just makes me feel good. Gardening is therapeutic, even if it's just a wee bit of gardening. And I have plans to do more. I want to grow some microgreens and start some other plants that I can grow indoors. I've just been a bit slow about getting it started and done. I'll get there eventually, and that's okay. I don't have to be in any big hurry. Well, I'm going to go ahead and thank you for watching this video today. I really enjoyed making it. I know it's been, like I said at the beginning, it's been a short minute since I made a full-length video. But I enjoy making videos. I enjoy communicating and talking with you. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, whether it be Vlogmas, whether it be just a regular short, or whether it be a regular length video, whatever it is, I will see you in it. May the good Lord richly bless you. Always seek the truth. And enjoy this Christmas season as it passes by so quickly. Darlene, signing out.